Sup YouTube, 1, 2, 3, 4, Mr. Killer here. In honor of Pride Month, I will be shotgunning 6 beers in less than 4 to 5 minutes. I got my timer ready. I got my trusty shotgunning tool. Less talking, let's just get right into it. Timer starts once you crack the first one. Start this one, fuck it. Let's do the worst ones first. One. Start now. Yep. Start it now. Kind of nervous. This is a tough one. Number 3. Well, that 1 minute mark. I'm gonna take a little break real quick. So far, so good. No puke. Gotta get that body pumping, guys. Gotta get it pumping. I will get this done. Fuck it. Come on, Adam. We got this. 3 down. 3 more to go. And you complete it. $140. Next one. Get right into it, baby. Right into it. Almost. Almost, boys. Almost. I felt that burp. That was a dangerous burp. Almost at that 230 mark. Got there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got this, bull. Oh, doing good there. Doing good, buddy. On that 3 minute mark. That 5th one's scary, man. I'm scared of that 5th one. I feel like that 5th one's gonna do me in. So, almost there. Come on. Try to get that burp out. Get that burp out, guys. Alright. Feel it. There's that burp. There it is. There's that burp. I feel like I got a few more. A few more burps. But they won't come out, you know? Come on. Never before done by me. So far I'm doing so good. You know? So far so good. Ate a good lunch. Ate a good breakfast. I'm not failing you guys. I'm not gonna fail this one, guys. I'm not gonna fail this one. I gotta keep talking, keep that pressure up. It's rushing right to my head, but fuck it. Got this. Let's do it. This is the one that's gonna kill me, guys. I puke, I'll put it in the description. Puke warning. I'll have to just take my time on this one. Fuck it. Fuck a little spillage. Coming up on that 5. Coming up on that 5. 9, 8, 7. We failed the 5. We still did good. Still did good. Fuck it. That's it. I'm gonna finish this one. One left over. We did good. Can't lie, it didn't feel good.